yourself, Mirah Gustaní, and yes, I'm popping up on this camera looking like this because today we are coming with a makeup video. I could not do these brows on camera. They look way better. They look way better on this camera than they did in my mirror. But it is totally fine and it is totally whatever.
To throw this in there, I did make a lot of little silly faces while doing my makeup, so just beware. So I went ahead and did my cut crease off camera because, listen, I don't know what I was thinking. I think that at the time I didn't think to use the mirror in my palette, so yeah. Sorry guys, throughout the video I did cover my face with my palette a couple of times, but please bear with me and just try to, you know, still see what I'm doing. I did set my face. I did not get the clip some way, somehow. I don't know. But yeah, I also went ahead and did my wing liner off camera. And we're going to pop some lashes on. Be right back.
So we got the lashes on, baby. Okay. I usually never put on blush because I don't know how to put on a cream blush.
And yes, I use my fingers to put on highlighter. Yes, it's getting ghetto. It's getting very ghetto, but it's okay. I'd rather use my fingers. And plus, I do need a brush, but I do like using my fingers. So, yeah.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn on that bell so you get notified every time Mirah posts a video, and so you guys can, be updated. And yes, I need to do a Q&A because I really just popped out of nowhere just making videos. So I will soon do a Q&A. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye.